Hey everyone! Before we go into today's video, I just want to give you some updates on the world, because while editing what was supposed to be my fourth video, I unfortunately lost the recording that went with it. So, just a few major tidbits on that recording. I managed to lay down the first few copper ribs on the roof of my house. My brother Isaac tried to assist me by suggesting I use copper stairs instead of simple blocks of copper for the design, but he didn't tell me that I needed cut copper before I could do that, and so I considered his advice to be a harmless prank when I realized I was unable to craft regular blocks into stairs. Other than that, I learned of Isaac's various additions to our village, which I will cover in a later video, and started my own mine in the jungle biome. So that pretty much covers it, and will take us straight to today's content, so without further ado... Hey everybody, welcome back. Caleb Stone here, welcome back to Green Arrow. And today we are going to be, hopefully completing our, copper roof. I hear blocks breaking. I hope it's not my copper roof. Hold up. Hold up. What's this? Hoi. What are you... Stop it! Stop. There are no copper stairs. Cut copper? What the? Cut copper. How'd you make those? Oh. Thank you, bye. Why do I feel so stupid? With 6 to spare, and our roof is complete. Look at that! That is looking sweet! See it from down here. Looks awesome! Look at that look. Look at that look, haha. But seriously, look at that. Good load of what? No way. Alright. Oh, guess what, everyone? I now have to pay taxes to Isaac, who is assuming himself to be the emperor of this land. And he requires 3 copper ingots a day. Okay, everyone, now I'm gonna retire to bed. And next morning, I shall first tear down this ugly appearance right here by putting in a double door. Because why not? About there. Good. And then I need another door. Where are the doors? Do I have to make mine? Yes. 15 to... Oh, my bad. I'll just have enough doors to save me a lifetime. Now that looks nice. Now it's looking pretty. Okay, now, do we need windows? Yes, we do. Let's go and get some sand. Okie dokie. Let's break all the window slots. Alright. I think this should be enough.
Or not? No, it's not gonna be enough. Almost, though. Almost enough. Let's get one more, please. Ta!
And one to spare. There's always a spare. That looks pretty good. Starting to look like a... What I just said. Starting to look like an actual house. What I meant to say. After setting down the windows, I decided to finish my house up with a nice polished diorite trim and a framework of stone bricks around the windows. So here I am in the mines, on my way to gather the diorite, and as you will soon see, I was not disappointed with the result. There we go. Now let's try it all. Sit here, little crap. Don't have time for your games. Yes, that looks so good.
Awesome. Okay, that's our building block, guys. Let's just trim these off with stone bricks. Yeah, because we like cool looking things. Yes. How cool does that look, y'all? Now it's starting to look like a house. Like a nice Isaacian house. Isaacian. House of Isaac. Whatever. Do. Oh, that's already wrong. Whoopsie. Did I do it to the other one? No, I didn't. Here we are. Rest of this fill with diorite.
Ta-da! Look at that! How cool is that, eh? And now up here... Ah, there we go. Now my house is complete, y'all. So this is my house. Woo! And I am loving it. Look at that. We have so much space here. Y'all, I can fit anything here. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna invite Isaac over. Come see my house. It's 100. It's 99% fireproof. It's 100%. Yeah, 100% fireproof. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, everybody, is, let's see, what can I do? What time is it? 4:13, okay. I am going to go hunting for more food, because none of this food is going to last forever anyway. So, I'm actually going to expand outward into my own domain and hunt there for food.
Oh, chicken!
Ooh, I found another shoreline. Looks a lot like a coastline. Ooh. I'm gonna start me a sugarcane farm. It's fertile land. Yeah? Let's mark this spot. Green arrows marked territory. Foes beware. There we go. And I've marked my territory. So I'm gonna make I'm gonna make this a mine and a farm. All in one.
But not today. Today, just hunting. Look at the expansiveness of the shoreline, man. All these days I gotta go fishing. When the sun's down, I gotta go back. This is open ocean. You know what? Back I go. If I stay too long, my villagers are in danger of being attacked. Hold on, brother. I'm coming. Okay, coming back. There. Come on. There's my house.
Oh, where's right behind here? Ah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Do. Exposed copper. Dirt. Okay, so I'm going to stop there, folks. So, today I went on a little hunting trip after completing my house, and man, does it look good. I will try and figure out what to do with all this empty space sometime in the near future. But for now, I'm going to log off. My name is Caleb Stone, and you've been watching Green Arrow. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye!